The cat came back. Not the very next day. This is Hobbs. He went missing from his home in Smithville, Ontario, 10 years ago. Well, yesterday, a man spotted the cat walking around in the town of Lincoln, about 25 kilometers away, and brought him to a humane society in St. Catharines. So, here is the incredible conclusion to that story. Vets did a quick microchip scan to identify Hobbs, and on Wednesday, the cat was finally reunited with his owner, Francis, after more than a decade apart. It's unclear what exactly Hobbs was up to during his incredible journey, but his next stop is home.